In this video, we're going to talk about how to create irresistible bonuses so people buy through your link instead of your competitors. There's a few things we'll go into here. I also want to point you to some other resources where I've also talked about bonuses, and we're going to talk about a lot in this video. If you're a newbie, you're going to take a ton of value from this. It's going to be a really good introduction to bonuses. If you are not a newbie and you have a little bit of experience with bonuses, this is still going to be really helpful as I'm going to talk through the system that I use, but some of the other videos I make will be helpful as well. So let's see. The ones I would suggest are this one right here. I used Bonus Builder AI for 10 minutes and made $1,000 worth of bonuses. The Honest Bonus Builder Review, and then there's one more. Which one is it? Here it is. Steal My Exact Bonus Strategy. Those three so far that I put on the channel talk about bonuses, and this is something you just need to become really good at as an affiliate. Let me just, maybe the way that you want to think about it from day one is you want people to buy even if the product itself, whatever it is you're promoting, didn't exist and all they were getting are your bonuses. We want to provide so much value from the bonuses that they complete the purchase because they want your bonuses so bad. Not only will that get you the sale, but then they're going to come back to you in the future because you're over-delivering on value, and they're going to buy from you again and again and again. Okay? So let's kind of talk through a little bit of my system, and if you're brand new, how we're going to get started. So I love using Airtable. You can see kind of a basic gist of how I do this. These are all my bonuses. So the bonus name, the category, what kind of bonus it is, the description, the access link, my images. So I keep all of my bonuses hosted here. So every time I create a new bonus, I have it stored here so I can pull from it at any time. I like a combination of a lot of different types of deliverables. My preference when I build out a bonus stack is to have every bonus be a different type of bonus. So one might be a checklist, one might be an ebook, one might be a video. I love Loom strategy video sessions. One might be a recommendation. So I don't know if I have a really good recommendation one. Well, that one's actually really good. But the way I like to think about recommendations, maybe you're promoting something like bonuses and you have someone on Fiverr who has made bonuses for you before. So you can say, I have this bonus of the 3 to 5 people who I love using on Fiverr, and I'll give you my recommendation for the best person to do whatever the task is, right? So many courses, you can go out and buy access or rights to courses. There's just so many different things that you can use, and obviously that is increasing more and more and more with AI. So I like to host it inside of Airtable. Every time you create a new bonus, this is where we're going to keep it so we can quickly pull a couple, and whatever we're promoting, we also want to make some things that are original to that bonus, and that's going to be how we build up our library over time. You can see I don't have it. Oh, I also like over here tagging. So I tag what the promotion is with every, so my tags, so this was for the no sale profit system. So I know which bonuses go with which products. And then my last one, I think I have a notes section, but I just don't want to show my notes section. So this is where we're going to host. If you're trying to decide how to display them, I have a better method for this that we'll talk about in a minute, but I have done it this way a couple times as well. So what you can do is come over here, pick a gallery setting, go to filtered by, we'll do hybrid income. And then this is showing my 6 bonuses for the hybrid income protocol system right here. And I can talk through them this way. This isn't my favorite method to do it. I've used typeset before, which you can see in some of those previous videos. The way I suggest now is going to be the software that we're about to talk about. This software right here, there'll be a link down in the description. That will take you to this page where I do a full review on the software. If you click this button right here, you'll actually get my bonuses for this software, the review for it, all of that. That link is down in the description. But the software is called Bonus Builder AI. Now, this is going to do 2 things for us. One, if we don't already have bonuses built out, this is going to get us started and get us some momentum by starting to create bonuses. If you do have bonuses built out, this is going to help us build out the bonus pages. So this page right here was 100% built by Bonus AI. I took this link right here, I copy and pasted it into Bonus Builder, And then I said I want it to look like, which one is it? Headline and video. I said this is the template I want to use. This is the sales page. Make me a bonus page. And it gave me this right here. So it has my bonuses. It has the value. It has some Q&A. And then it has the 2 buttons for access. It has my email. It says if you want to claim my bonuses, you're going to email me at info@jakethornhill.com. All of this was created within a matter of about 2 minutes, which is crazy. It gave me the HTML. I plugged the HTML in, and now I have an awesome bonus page that I can give. So this would take me hours and hours and hours to do before, and now I can do it literally in a matter of minutes. I have a whole spreadsheet right now which is devoted to a team member of mine creating these bonus pages for me. And she can do 10, 15, 20 a day because of how easy these are to do. So it's a great way to quickly get a sales page up. So instead of showing them like this and talking about them, you can actually send them to a really clean looking page for your bonuses. And if you haven't built bonuses yet, I encourage you just go down to the link in the description, go through the bonus builder. I go in detail of how to use bonus AI to build out bonuses. I'll do one quick example. I'm just going to grab the link for the sales page of Bonus Builder AI, paste it in right there. And while that's working, I'm also going to let you know, dang it. Okay, so if you're brand new, you don't have any bonuses yet, you want to start building up your system, what you can also do is there an upsell, I think it's like $47, but it's worth every penny, called the Rapid AI Builder with products. So let me open this one up. Okay, and the difference of this one is it comes with all of these products that are already done. You get the Google Doc version, the PDF, and the Word doc version of all of these 100 different products. Completely for free. They're yours to use however you want. They also already have the mock-ups. Everything's already done for you. So if I were to put that same link, I'll put them both in here. So we'll go back to the first one, and you can see it gave me all these bonus ideas. Here are 10 different ideas. I would select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bonuses, however many I want, and then it goes through the process of making each of those bonuses for you. Once it's made those bonuses for you, then it gives you the HTML for your website. If you do the same thing over here on Rapid AI Builder, it's taking the same link, it's looking through all of the done for you bonuses, and it's saying, these are the 4 that I would recommend. Once you approve, obviously the big thing that this is going to do is going to save you the time from having to actually create 4 bonuses, right? So if I say I want to do the objection crusher, it's going to give me an outline for the objection crusher, then it's going to create the objection crusher. And so it's going to take a little bit of time to create all these bonuses. Once it's created, I'm going to save it into a Google Doc. I'm going to come over here to Airtable. And again, I'm going to save that because now that is a bonus that I have that I can reuse in the future. And yeah, so we're going to save every one of those bonuses, and then we're going to build out our HTML. Now you can see again over here on the Rapid Bonus AI, it built out this HTML for me. Again, all I would need to do now is go into whatever your hosting system is, and he tells you how to do this in the training. Where is it? Training videos, uploading to your website. It's very, very easy. I host in ClickFunnels, so that's what I use, but you can use literally anything as long as you have the website. And it's going to spit out something just like this in a matter of seconds. So this is why the Rapid Builder AI is a no-brainer as well as the upsell. And guys, this way you now have a place to host your bonuses. You have a way to build your bonuses. You have a way to build out landing pages for your bonuses. You can take bonuses that are already built and use those, and now you are able to up your conversions. People are going to want to buy through you because you have these awesome bonuses. If you're still saying like, okay, well, do I really have to do this? Can I not just promote? Can I not just give a review? You can, but here's the problem. Let's say I absolutely love your content. I watch 70% of the videos you put out. I love you. And when you create something and recommend something, I want to buy from you because I've gotten value from you. And I want to reciprocate that by giving you an affiliate commission. People actually do this, right? There is this sense in which, like, if you provide me enough value, I want to buy through your link because I appreciate what you've done. It is just part of human nature. The problem is now now, I want to buy through you, but I see there's this other person, and his name is Jake. And Jake is offering 5 bonuses that are awesome. He's going to help me improve my traffic. He's going to help my YouTube videos rank better. He's going to whatever. Well, as much as I like you and I'd like to buy through you, if I'm going to pay this money, I would rather get the extra stuff. So we have to provide more value, and it also is what is going to improve your brand. People are going to come back to you over and over and over again because you have given them so much value, not only through the recommendation, but through the products you created for them. So not only do you want to create bonuses, you want them to be high quality and valuable to your audience. Go above and beyond every chance you get. One of the best bonuses for a newbie is to offer support. So people can email you and you say, hey, I'll do a Loom video back for you. I'll hop on a call with you sometimes. I'll respond to your email. Whatever that looks like for you, that's a great way to engage with your audience. Guys, I hope this was helpful. Make sure to use the link down in the description. You can go check out the full bonus builder review where I go into more depth of how it's actually built out and I show you more behind the scenes. I want to show more of the system and how you can build some of this stuff out, whether you're absolutely brand new or whether you've been doing this for a while and you just want to boost conversions. I hope it was helpful. Drop a follow and I'll see you in the next video.